We are now done with the Chandigarh tour and are in Punjab Engineering College. It is located in Sector 12 Chandigarh and covers a total area of 146 acres.
Punjab Engineering College was established in 1921 in Lahore. After partition, it shifted to Roorkee, and in 1953, it came to its campus in Chandigarh.
We at PEC provide a perfect balance of curriculum as well as extracurricular activities. So congratulations to all of you on your admission, and now we'll take you for your campus tour.
The helicopter that you see here is something that we're extremely proud of. It was presented to us by Air Command SPS Vic in January 2004. It acts as an identifying symbol for our college, and whenever you ask an auto rickshaw wala bhaiya in Chandigarh, "Bhaiya, PEC jana hai?" the answer that you'll get is, "Acha, helicopter wala college." We're now in the administrative block, which is also the backbone of this college. This is the office of the Dean Student Affairs. Our DSA and the 3 ADSAs sit over here. All the co-curricular activities that you do in your college time are a brainchild of the people sitting inside. This is the office of the Dean Academic Affairs. Over here, you will enroll for your courses, get your transcripts, और अगर backlog आ गया तो आना जाना बहुत ही बढ़ जाएगा. Also, over there we have the billing section where all the transactions associated with the college happen. We're now in the admin office. Most of the executive officials sit here. On the second floor of this office, our director, Dr. Dheeraj Sanghi, sits. The TPO, also known as the Training and Placement Office, invites companies on campus and provides us with the best career opportunities available. One of the major reasons why we joined PEC is because of the amazing placements we get, and I can proudly say that the TPO raises its bar every year. TPO also provides us counsel for higher studies and gives us insights into alternate career options. This auditorium is one place where we have most of our memories. From yawns while attending a formal session to preparing for events backstage, this place never fails to amaze us with the surprises it has to offer. From tripping over wires to arranging for sound systems to bonding with seniors, we've had our best times here. A small trivia: the first session of Punjab Vidhan Sabha was held in this auditorium.
This that you see here is the Applied Sciences Department. It provides for core disciplines like mathematics, chemistry, physics, among others, which act as a foundation for all your engineering courses. What makes this department unique is that every student joining PEC has to take up applied science courses in the first year.
During our semester, we have lectures, but sometimes that's not enough to understand the subject, and hence there's provision of tutorials conducted in these tutorooms. But तब भी यहाँ की उससे ज़्यादा club activities की attendance रहती है. This is a drawing hall. Even though these halls are more personal to the production department, these are open to all branches. Most of our exams are conducted on these tables. पर यहाँ आपको ज़्यादा लोग नहीं मिलेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ चढ़ते-चढ़ते लोग हाफ जाते हैं.
The library that you see here sees a transition from no students in the start of the semester to an absolutely jam-packed hall in the end. During the exam season, once you leave your seat, you won't get it back. फिर चाहे रुमाल छोड़ो, चाहे किताब. The Computer Center of PEC provides computational facilities to all its users. Students, staff and faculty from different departments and sections get accounts to access the internet and email services from the Computer Center. The Computer Center also offers special purpose and advanced softwares for use.
PEC Market. This is the place where most of you will spend time making friends and having a gala time between breaks. Could be the place where you make your study plans or decide your entrepreneurship ideas, so while you're here, make it productive and fun. There's food, and then there are stationery shops which provide us with the study material during exams. We have an SBI branch and a post office in case you still believe in sending and receiving letters.
And now the Computer Science and Engineering Department, which turns out software engineers having a high caliber of technical expertise. This department provides for a curriculum which fosters innovation and a breadth of vision necessary to survive in the software industry. Also, we have the Cybersecurity and Research Center, which was established in 2007. and its key work areas include cybersecurity, cybercrime investigation, malware analysis, warfare, counter-cyberterrorism, among others. This that you see here is the Electronics and Communication Department. With fully up-to-date and equipped labs, this department has always strived to inculcate the very best in its students. Famous for its experienced faculty, students from this department have bagged top placements and have got into the best institutions for higher education.
New Academic Block is the newest building in PEC, inaugurated just 5 years ago. This is the place where the classes will be held during first year. You will find newly built lecture halls, seminar rooms and conference rooms in this building. You will also find an AC in every room of this building, which will make it easier for you to go through during summers. The Center of Management and Humanities was established in 2016 by carving out a section pertaining to Management and Humanities from the Applied Science Department. In addition to a compulsory course offered in BTech 8th semester, this department also offers various electives in the fields of finance, business research, management and many more.
The Department of Civil Engineering is one of the oldest in the institute. It is excellently suited to meet the ever-changing requirements of engineers with courses that combine study of management, business skills and computers with engineering. The Department of Mechanical Engineering is as old as the institute itself. It can boast to have very well equipped laboratories, centralized workshops, Center of Excellence supported by Siemens, which caters to the need of the entire institute, nearby industries and society at large. Don't be surprised if you see girls talking about mechanical because we have girls in this branch as well.
One of the oldest departments in PEC, this is the Electrical Engineering Department. Here, you study various topics such as microprocessors, controllers and many more. Various notable alumni from this department are placed at very high positions in the industry.
Started in 1962, the Department of Aerospace Engineering has over the years adapted and improved with the fast pace of technology. With rapid changes in the professional world, the department has also established new courses and laboratories for the students to succeed.
This is the Open Air Theatre, also known as the OAT. All cultural nights as well as students' performances are hosted here. While the auditorium is the perfect place for all formal gatherings, the OAT makes up for the perfect ambience for all the informal sessions. Once you all come to college, you'll surely love this place. This is the SAC, the Students' Activity Center. Here you will find most of the students working for their respective clubs as well as their upcoming events. This place is full of hustle and positive cheer. This is a department जहाँ necessity और loyalty की value एक drafter decide करता है. Established in 1967, the strength of the production and industrial engineering department lies in the potential of its students, the commitment of the faculty and the various facilities in the fields of human engineering, 3D printing and machining. The production department is also one of the 2 departments in PEC which have a center of excellence, making great strides in the fields of value and human engineering as well as 3D printing.
EIC, or the Entrepreneurship and Incubation Cell, also referred to as the most productive hideout in our college, is set up to develop young entrepreneurs and foster the spirit of entrepreneurship. If you wish to have your own startup someday, this is your place to nurture ideas and develop your skills.
Now we are at the Siemens Lab. This lab was inaugurated on 17 December 2019 by the Honorable Governor of Punjab and Administrator UT Chandigarh, Shri VP Singh Badlaun. This Centre of Excellence was established at the cost of 170 crores, having 14 labs in the areas of energy, digital manufacturing and automation. This lab covers a total area of 17,000 square feet and provides over 60 plus Siemens certified courses which are recognized globally.
We're now in the Materials and Metallurgical Engineering department. This department has shown noteworthy progress in its research and industrial exposure and is famous for its alumnus having high posts in the industry.
Our institute has 2 playgrounds as well as a well-maintained athletic track which encourages students to take part in a lot of games. We at PEC also organize an annual athletic meet which attracts a lot of crowd and cheer. Fun fact, our sports complex is located in one corner of the college ताकि बच्चों का यहाँ आते आते ही वार्म अप हो जाए.
This is Shivalik, one of the 4 boys hostel. This is where you will stay in your first year. It has 3 blocks, with C block being the newest one established just 5 years ago. This is Aravali, second boys hostel. Usually, most of the secondarites get this hostel. It is located just behind Peck Market. This is the Himalaya hostel. Usually, you'll get to stay in this hostel in your 3rd year. You'll also find your seniors boasting about the food that they provide at the Himalaya mess. This is the Kurukshetra hostel. It is famous for its HPL, which is the Hostel Premier League. It consists of both day and night matches, and students have a gala time here.
One of the 2 girls' hostels, this is the Vindhya. With 77 rooms, this is going to be your home away from home for the next 4 years for all the BTech students. It has facilities like a common room, a mess, and beautiful gardens. And this is the place where you'll make your most memorable memories that you can take away even after your college life. Renamed after our celebrated alumni Kalpana Chawla in 2006, this hostel is allotted to the MTech and PhD students. It provides you with all facilities including a mess and a common room.